Freeze frame. Sometimes you're probably going to want to freeze a frame in a clip. I've got one right here that I would like to freeze. Let's try it. It's very simple. Scrub to the frame that you would like to freeze. I want this one, or somewhere about there. Right click on that, go to add frame hold. Then you can see it's made it for us. I'd probably add some text or something animated here as well, so people know your video hasn't frozen. I'll also keep the audio going in the background. Yes, it's easy, but it's also easy to forget. I had to look it up the other day, so I thought I'd show you. Subscribe for more. Goodbye. Sometimes you're probably going to want to freeze a flame. Sometimes you're probably going to want to freeze a flame.